Yoruba nation is non-negotiable. We care less what the governors think about it. We care less what the international community thinks about it. We care less what the cabal thinks about it. We care less what the world thinks about it. We are proud to be Yoruba, and we are determined to keep it that way. The rally goes ahead tomorrow in Ekiti State. If not, Ekiti State goes in fire. The rally goes ahead in Ekiti State. I've listened to quite a lot of different audios, but let us say this loud and clear. We have the right to determine how we want to live our life. Our life is no longer in the hands of any corrupt politician. Our lives is no longer in the hands of the federal government. Our hands and our life is now in our hand. The governor of Ekiti State, you might want to pass my own message to him that we will be in Ekiti State tomorrow, and there's no going back on that. He is the chief security of that state, and that means he will not stop the rally that is coming on tomorrow. Kotobe allowed to stop it. They can put out their security, but I will confirm to every single one of us that tomorrow goes ahead as planned. No state tama dagbere pe ambo ta ni debe. Kò sí babanla state náà lásọ. Not because we are threatening that state. It's because we are going there to speak to the people. We're still having an issue with our YouTube, and that is why I'm kind of a bit delayed. So let us warn them. I've heard people saying that the military have left Kaba and they are already in the southwest. We don't give a toss about wherever they are. If you don't want to go over, the military have the right to move around the country, but they don't have the right to stop the Yoruba from agitating. Let me give us quickly what is the meaning between secession and self-determination, and then I will play the anthem. We're going to have more governor of Ekiti State. Yes, they might not agree with us, but they cannot stop us. Bẹ̀ wọ́n pé kó agree pẹ̀lú wa. Into bá wọ́n ní káwọn máa ṣe, ṣe bá wọ́n ṣe government ni, káwọn máa ṣe government, káwa náà máa agitate for Yoruba nation. We have not disturbed them. And let us warn every security personnel. Ẹ mọ̀ pé bàbá wa Chief Sunday Igboho ti sọ pé ẹ̀yin kọ́ là ní kankan ṣe pẹ̀lú, we have nothing to do with you. If anybody tomorrow making their way, wọ́n ní káwọn kan máa wọṣọ, ta ló sọ pé kán máa wọṣọ? Wọ́n bí aláya wọn dà kán ní kán máa wọṣọ. Wọ́n ṣe máa ní ká máa wọṣọ. We go out with our full regalia into Ekiti State from wherever we are traveling from. And if they want to dare us, and I'm using that word again, if they want to dare us tomorrow, kó dá mọ́tò kọ̀ọ̀kan dúró, kó wá sọ pé àwọn tó wà nínú mọ́tò yẹn wọ́n wọ Yoruba nation àbí wọ́n wáṣọ Yoruba nation, wọ́n wá ń lọ sí rally, ẹ wá dá wọn dúró, ẹ wá gbé wọn lọ sí station yẹn máa jóná. Ẹgbẹ́ kan tí mo sọ, wallahi tallahi simo billahi lazilawa, we will give order and that station will go down, because we are not threatening any of the security operatives. If anybody in any part traveling from any part of the country in the southwest and they get stopped and they had to take them to the police station, we will burn down the whole police station. It's as simple as that. Take it down, as what I've said. We've had enough of this nonsense against the Yoruba people. Let's tell you the meaning between the secessionists and self-determination. We will go very hard, because anybody cannot be threatened going into the rally knowing it's a peaceful rally we're going for. Any state that anybody get pulled over for wearing a Yoruba nation or putting on a flag, or their vehicle got stopped, they can get stopped, but they must allow them to continue on that journey. But we will just find out the station and we will tell people to go there and they will take it down. It's as simple as that. Nothing less than that, because that means they have disrespected us as Yoruba people agitating for what belongs to us as an indigenous people. It's a peaceful rally we're going for. So Emma Diewa Lola, Emma Diewa Lola, Mama Kwani, the governor. Ọmọ tí mo bí bẹ́ẹ̀, má jẹ́ kí orí yín kó sán lọ́la. Ẹ ṣàrọ̀ra fi wá sílẹ̀. Bá ṣe ń wò wá yẹn náà ni kẹ́ máa wò wá. Ẹ má ta sí wa, ẹ fi wá sílẹ̀. Kẹ́ wò bóyá máa rí gbà, àbá ní rí gbà. Ẹ yẹ fi yẹn sílẹ̀ fáwa. But ẹ má threaten wa lọ́la. And my father, Chief Sunday Igboho, will be live direct in Ekiti State tomorrow. It's not because of him that people will be going for Ekiti rally. It's because we as Yoruba believe it's the right time in the history of this contraction that was merged together by Great Britain, where we are suffering and we have become a second-class citizen in their own country. This is our own territory and we will do whatever we like inside the territory. If we want Daniel Konduro, wọ́n wá fi sílẹ̀ kó máa continue journey ẹ̀, wọ́n wá gbé lọ sí station, àfi ká yá máa mọ station yẹn, because abá ti mọ station yẹn, that station becomes eliminated out of what belongs to the Yoruba people. Let me tell you again the meaning between secessionists and self-determination. Ọ̀la lọ̀la ń jẹ́, ọ̀la ni ọ̀la ń jẹ́, ó dẹ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́la, kò dẹ̀ sí bàbá ńlá ẹni tó ní kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀. Mo ì tí rẹ̀ ni náà. What's the meaning? Secession is totally different from self-determination. Secession is when a group of people of the same tribe is trying to secede from the same people and is negativity viewed by international community. That is why they are using the word on us all the time as secessionists, because they want the international community to look us as people of different view. So when they kept using that word secessionists, they want to tag us for what we are not. Oh yes, ọmọlúàbí gidi ni wá, ọmọlúàbí tó dé to the core ni wá, but ẹ má fi ọmọlúàbí yẹn ká fi gba orí Èkìtì látọ̀la lọ. DSS ló múyàn ni, army ló múyàn ni, àfi ká má mọ̀ bẹ̀. It only cost us few penny of what we can use to take down the building. So ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá tó bá bẹ̀ níṣẹ́ lọ́la, ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín pé torí bàbá wa ti sọ pé ká má bá yín jà, ẹ̀yin kọ́ là ń bá jà o, àbọ́lọ́pàá kankan jà. So ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín pé dáadáa lọ́la, ẹ jẹ́ kí orí yín pé dáadáa lọ́la, torí pé ẹ̀yin náà ní family nílé. Ẹ dẹ̀ lè mú ọmọ kan, kẹ́ mú ìyàwó yàn kan, kẹ́ mú bàbá yàn kan, kẹ́ wá lọ tì mọ́lé nítorí pé ó ń lọ fún peaceful protest ló ń lọ fún. Nobody is taking any weapon since we've been going for all this rally. Nobody has taken any harm. Àríyàn kankan tó gbé ìbọn dání. And that means tomorrow is the same thing. But ẹ lè wá torí ẹ̀ kẹ́ wá dá wa dúró fún rally tá à ń lọ ṣe lọ́la. Again, self-determination is a positive value by the international community. They should correct the people that we are not seceding. We need self-determination. Once again, a very good evening and welcome to the late night broadcast. My name is Olayomi Koiki. A lot of you know me as Koiki Media. tá a bá lè ṣe tí a fẹ́ ṣe lọ́hùn lókè òkun a tó bẹ́ẹ̀ a jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ láti ṣe nísàlẹ̀ níbí báyìí nítorí pé this one belongs to our land. ṣẹ́rí tí mo sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ ní last year yẹn òkè òkun ló wà but this time around ìsàlẹ̀ la wà ibẹ̀dẹ̀ láti máa fi gbogbo ẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. I don't care what the British think, whether they want the unity of Nigeria. That is their own cup of tea. They cannot determine how we live our life anymore. They have determined that for 100 years. That 100 years have expired in 2014, and now the indigenous people of the land wants to determine how they will live into a new nation that will bring better opportunity for everyone within that nation, that will be first-class citizens as Yoruba people. We are not interested in all the crumbs that the British government and all the international community are giving us. We have had enough of that nonsense. Let's play the Yoruba anthem and we roll out the program again.